Dear Mr. Jesus, I just had to write to you. Something really scared me when I saw it on the news. A story about a little girl beaten black and blue. Jesus, thought I'd take this right to you. Jesus, I don't understand why they took her mom and dad away. I know that they don't mean to hit with wild and angry hands. Tell them just how big they are, I pray. They say that she may die. Oh, I hope the doctors stop the pain. I know that you could save her and take her up to the sky, so she would never have to hurt again. Please don't let them hurt your children. Please don't tell my daddy, but my mommy hits me too.